Magandang araw mga kaistudyante. I am Peter Albert, a teacher-learner, and I am here to help my co-college students in their general education subjects. As I offer video discussion and simple presentation, at least to provide ease and aid in their understanding in these following courses. GE1, Understanding the Self. GE2, Readings in the Philippine History. GE3, Contemporary World. GE6, Art Appreciation. GE7, Science, Technology, and Society. GE8, General Ethics. GE9, Results, Life, and Work. And please, listen to the discussion carefully and relax. And also, if you have comments, suggestions, or advices, just put them in the comment section so that I can have my improvements in the next presentation. So now we are to start the discussion. Do you know and understand yourself? Philosophers, psychologists, and other scholars for years seek the connection of the self to who a person is. Studies have shown that it is difficult to know it. That is why we are to understand it in process by these following objectives. To have an orientation about the self and to have a general understanding about the self based from opinions opening the reason that it is needed to be studied. So, throughout the course, we are to understand the fundamentals of understanding of the self, the unfolding dimension of the self, and which is part 1, and the unfolding dimension of the self, which is part 2, as we use this reference written by Dr. Jonathan Makayan and others. The fundamentals of understanding the self includes social, environmental, and other life factors based from our experience as nature comes, the science and philosophy of the self, psychology, and other sciences, neurosciences, and wisdom studies understand the self. The self amidst the new normal. In the pandemic, the Philippines is now facing the new normal, influenced by technology and globalization. So we are facing the digital natives, the digital immigrant, and also the digital tourist because we are much more influenced by technology this time. And this is the way we are now to live, which is actually very different from the experience before the pandemic. So this time technology advances as we have the new reality. Also, the unfolding dimension of the self, part 1, includes the physical self, which is our biology, the mental self, which is actually coming from the understanding of neurosciences, and also our emotional self, okay, has to do something with our senses, our feelings, and how we react based from how we feel. And also the spiritual self, speaking about our soul, the materiality we have, okay? Also, the soul that connects us to life, that we are not different and we are in connection with other immaterial entities. Also, we study the part 2 of the unfolding dimension of the self, speaking about the social self, the self which is actually with the community, with the society, immersed with culture, and also the emerging facets of the self. Okay, so the ideas, opinions, which are now common about the self this time. The future self, or how the self is developing in response to the progress happening in the global community or the society. The purpose why we are to understand the self tells us that human beings need to be aware and conscious of their life existence, that they live meaningfully with themselves and others. So, we are to reflect about our life, about our human existence in connection to the full of who we are. And also, the reasons of all problems and issues found in the society, particularly crimes, violence, and other horrific events, are traced back to the unrecognition of the value of the self. So, by understanding the self, human beings live a happy life. So, now, because we do not know ourselves, sometimes we cause deadlocks to others. We hurt them because we do not understand well ourselves. So we need to be in connected with ourselves in order for us to live a holistic and also a symphonic way of life in accordance to ourselves in connection or in relationship with other peoples in the society. Thank you and God bless everyone. If you like the video, please subscribe and follow, and also press the notification bell so that you can see all my other videos. Thank you very much. God bless.